Hi there and welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the TikTok sensation of the summer of 2022. It's corn. What we're going to do in this video is first of all, we'll look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. Then we'll look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele. And then we'll talk about strumming a little bit. Now, if you like the chords you see in this video, you can find the chord sheet at UkeStuff.info. And if you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can subscribe to the channel. Second, you can like the video. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say, hey, thanks for making this content at buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is my Cherry Loprinzi concert ukulele. The first chord you're going to need is the C chord. Then you're going to need the D chord. Now, there are a number of ways you can play D. I'm just going to go over these very quickly. Katie Deneur at One Music School has a video showing like 7 different ways you can play D, but the way that I usually play D is sort of like a G7 chord. So I put my first finger at the top of the 3rd string 2nd fret and my other 2 fingers around it, making sort of that upside down V. The books will all show 1, 2, 3 in a row. If you have really large hands, that can be tricky. You can use 2 fingers. You can cover strings 3 and 4 with 1 finger and then cover string 2 with the 2nd finger. You can also bend 1 finger like your ring finger and cover strings 4, 3, and 2, leaving the 1st string open. The one thing I would say is don't play it with your thumb because that adds a lot of tension, and also it's hard to change chords that quick if you do that. The next chord is the G chord, and then the E minor chord. And if you're playing this on GCEA ukulele, here's my tip for you. Don't play the E minor chord where you have to switch everything. Stay on the G chord. Leave the G chord on your ukulele, then add your pinky to the 3rd string 4th fret. So here's G, and then make it into an E minor just by adding your pinky. For this song, that's going to work great. All right, now let's take a look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele. All right, for baritone, I'll be using this instrument. This is my mainland baritone. It has a solid cedar top and rosewood back and sides. The first chord is the C chord, then the D chord, then the G chord, and then the E minor chord. And those are the 4 chords that you need to play It's Corn on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now, as we talk about strumming, the main thing here is going to be 8 down strums on each chord. So here we go. Something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 down strums on each chord. But then you're going to hit it a little bit stronger on beats 3 and 7, or down strums 3 and 7. So it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that will work really well. Now, before we leave the video here, let me remind you that there is no official right strumming pattern for the song, as there was no ukulele in the original version. So as long as what you play matches the tempo and sounds good to you, that's all that matters. This is just a suggestion. The chords are the chords of the song, same key as it's actually written in, but the strumming is just a suggestion. All right, thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you enjoy It's Corn. I hope you're having a great summer in 2022. For those of you that are back in school or going back soon like I am, I wish you the very best school year. Have a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.